Oh my God, ooh, this is so relaxing. And you can see that I'm doing it by myself, but you can ask others to do it. Ooh, it gives you some kind of a really nice tingling sensation. And it's super soft just because it's made of, the claws are made of a really nice and soft silicone. Okay, let me enjoy this one for a little bit more, and I'm gonna explain what this is. But this is just so good. Okay, I think I'm good now, but this is just fantastic. It's really nice for having a kind of like a really good relaxing experience because I'm so like I want to go to sleep now because this one helps you with that. It helps you to for sure relax a little bit, but also give you that really nice sensation that you may need after a hard day of work, after working out, after there's something happened in your house or your family or something like that, and you need to decompress a little. This is a really good one. So it comes right here with a base, as you can see over here. It is waterproof, so you can actually take it with you to the shower, or if you are in a jacuzzi or something like that with your partner, you can actually use this one for the same relaxing experience just to give it to others. I'm going to show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds, but it comes right here for recharging purposes, USB-C to USB-A, so you just recharge it right here via the USB-C cable, and also comes with 4 of this replacement for the silicone glass over here. So actually take a close-up. What I was telling you before, super compact right here with the base. You can put the base somewhere else, and then you can just grab it like this for a more precise grip, or you can just grab it like this and apply some pressure. This is the on and off button. You just like short press right here, and you're gonna find that comes with multiple speeds, and these are the super nice silicone cloths over here. And here are the replacement, which I don't know why it comes in different colors, but they're fairly the same or the same. It comes with 8 total, so you can just like put them out if you want, and that's it. But also right here, if you keep pressing, you're gonna turn it off, short press back again, and then if you press just once, it goes faster or goes slower, which I think it's really good in case you want like a different intensity or something like that. You can actually do that as well. But I believe that this one, it is really, really good for decompressing, that feeling like decompression, or also like relaxing. And for sure, it's going to take care of that in the shower as well. And you can see how nice this silicone cloth is. These are super nice. It is really nice for those situations that I told you, or you can have it and do it to others as well. I like it. I do recommend this little guy over here. Thanks for watching and see you soon.